Welcome to Hidden Cael.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Funny crocodile loves watermelon. Let's see what happens when he accidentally swallows a seed as we read the watermelon seed.
Here's the seed. That is you. No, not me. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.